Welcome to Syncfic, the smart way to import, export, and sync data across your WordPress sites without manual work. Click on Upload, choose the file, and install the plugin. Open Syncfic, select what you want to manage, users, posts, or orders. Syncfic gives you flexible tools for every option. For the first time, open the License tab or click on Activate Now button. Enter your license key and email address. To export data, open the Export tab. Choose the synchronization type and roles you need. Set a date range if required. Choose User Metadata. Finally, export your data in CSV or JSON format. To import data, switch to the Import tab. Upload your file or simply drag and drop it. Choose how you want to import. Add new, update existing, or both. Manage passwords. Choose Role Override and start importing. For automatic syncing, click on Remote Site tab. Add a new site and enter its name and URL. Generate an API key. Paste the remote site's API key. Test the connection, and your sites are linked. Find help anytime in more tools. Access documentation, email support, live chat, and community help. That's everything. With Syncfic, your data stays organized, updated, and perfectly aligned automatically.